Hey everyone, it's Jask. Today we're diving into the world of penny stocks, those under $5 shares that can offer massive returns. Remember, investing in penny stocks requires careful research and a solid understanding of the market. But if you're willing to put in the work and you're comfortable with a little risk, penny stocks can be an exciting addition to your portfolio. In today's video, we'll explore 4 penny stocks with the potential for significant growth in September 2024. These offer intriguing opportunities for investors seeking high-risk, high-reward investments. Let's get started. First up, we have Arcat, a company making waves in automotive software. The automotive industry is transforming with electric vehicles and autonomous driving. Arcat is developing software solutions for these next-gen vehicles. Their recent partnership with a major automotive manufacturer is a game changer. This involves advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warnings and self-parking features. This partnership is expected to drive significant revenue growth for Arcat. Arcat has a solid track record of innovation, consistently developing cutting-edge software. They're not just keeping up with the industry, they're shaping its future. With strong partnerships and innovative technology, Arcat is a company to watch closely in September 2024. Of course, like any penny stock, there are risks involved. Next, let's talk about RSLS, a biopharmaceutical company developing cutting-edge cancer treatments. RSLS is on the front lines, developing therapies that could revolutionize cancer treatment. Their lead drug candidate has shown incredible promise in early trials. This drug targets specific cancer cells, shrinking tumors, and improving survival rates. RSLS recently initiated a new clinical trial, crucial for securing regulatory approval. If results continue to be positive, it could be a game changer for the company and patients. Investing in biopharmaceutical companies can be risky, but the potential rewards are enormous. Imagine the impact of a successful cancer drug, saving lives and generating billions in revenue. RSLS's focus on life-saving treatments makes them a company with substantial potential returns. While higher risk, their promising results make RSLS worth considering. Our next pick is LTRN, a company developing diagnostic imaging systems. Medical imaging is critical in healthcare, allowing non-invasive internal views. LTRN is at the forefront developing cutting-edge imaging systems. Their new system is smaller, faster, and more accurate than anything else on the market. This system recently received FDA approval, paving the way for widespread adoption. The demand for medical imaging services is set to increase, benefiting companies like LTRN. Investing in medical technology comes with risk, but LTRN's FDA approval and innovative technology make them compelling. If you're looking for a penny stock with growth potential in healthcare, LTRN is worth a closer look. The growing demand for medical imaging services positions LTRN well for future growth. Lastly, let's talk about PRPH, a company focusing on prescription drugs for rare diseases. Rare diseases often have no approved treatments, creating a significant need. PRPH is dedicated to developing drugs for these unmet medical needs. There's less competition in the rare disease market, giving PRPH a unique advantage. They have a lead drug candidate that recently showed positive results in a clinical trial. This drug targets a rare genetic disorder, generating excitement among investors. Positive trial results validate their approach and increase investor confidence. Investing in rare disease pharmaceuticals comes with risks, but PRPH's focus and positive results make them promising. Their unique approach and recent successes position PRPH well for future growth. PRPH's focus on unmet medical needs offers substantial potential returns. So there you have it, 4 penny stocks with the potential to make significant moves in September 2024. From automotive software to cancer treatments, medical imaging to rare diseases and gene therapy, these companies are pushing industry boundaries. Remember, investing in penny stocks is high risk, high reward. Do your own research, understand the companies, and ensure their risk profile aligns with yours. Want to stay updated on the latest investment trends? Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis. Let me know your thoughts on these penny stock opportunities in the comments below.